Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your DREAME TV is not turning on. First of all, make sure that you don't have any issues with your remote control. If you cannot turn on your TV using your remote control, maybe you should try to press the physical power button that's located beneath your TV in the middle. Also check if you see the red LED standby indicator beneath your TV. It should be glowing if your TV is in standby mode. So just press the power button once, short press it, and then you should be able to see your TV's DREAME logo on the screen. But if it's not happening, what we should do instead is unplug the TV from the power cable. Maybe let me first turn off the TV. So unplug the TV's power cable from the power outlet, and also unplug all the HDMI connected devices from your TV. And after unplugging your TV from the power supply, leave it like that for about 2 minutes to discharge it completely, and then we're gonna have to reconnect the cable to our TV. In the meantime, I recommend unplugging the TV cable from both the TV and the power outlet and checking it for any possible visible damages. Use a lamp if you need to inspect your power cord better, and see if there are any frays or bends on your cable. And if you have a compatible replacement, then try using it instead of your cable. And after these 2 minutes, let's plug the charging cable back into the power outlet, and after that let's give our TV a couple of seconds, and let's try to relaunch it by pressing the power button. By the way, if right now your TV starts and you still cannot use it with your remote control, then this probably means that your remote control is discharged. So yeah, if your remote control is discharged, remove the back panel, replace the batteries with a pair of two new alkaline batteries, 3A type. Okay, and so if your TV is still not turning on, maybe the issue is in the outlet that you are using. So maybe try using a different power outlet around. Maybe that's the reason. And so try plugging your TV to another power source, and if it's not helping you, then then we're gonna have to check the LED indicator at the bottom of the TV. So when your TV is turned off, unfortunately I cannot even show it to you because the camera is way too high. It's the standard way too high, and I can only see the LED light myself. But when your TV is in standby mode, so when the TV screen is turned off, your LED should be just glowing static beneath your TV with a red color. And if it's flashing, then you should unplug your TV for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes plug it back in and try relaunching it. And if there is no LED light beneath your TV, you should this indicates the power board failure. And if it's a power board failure and we have already checked the cable and the power outlet and there are no issues with both power cable and the outlet, then this probably means then that the issue is within the TV itself, and this requires a hardware repair. And unfortunately that's not something that I recommend, that we can do ourselves. At least I do not recommend doing that. yourself. Instead, I recommend just reaching out to DREAME Customer Support Service and letting them know about this issue, and eventually taking care of your TV. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.